news. They tried this back 7-8 months ago. This group appealed to the Office of Surface Mines, and basically they said, listen, there's nothing to this. And now today they filed a notice of intent, and I will tell you that it's 100% politically timed and politically motivated, because I think we're sitting pretty good going into this convention, so they're trying to smear things up a little bit. And Commissioner Kramer is potentially our adversary in June, and so they're trying to muck the waters about this. But the reality is that these contributions were from a private citizen. They were fully reported by myself and, quite honestly, my colleague in the commission. Mine go back to 2008, 2009. It's 100% legal. And the thing is, this case really hasn't even got in front of us yet. It'll probably be another 6 months to a year before it comes in front of the commission, the three of us. And really, our decisions in the PSC are 100% transparent. We develop a record. We encourage public input. So this is nothing more than, I think, a left-leaning liberal group just trying to use the political system to advance their political agenda. And this is why we got to stay focused on our plan, because if this is all they have, they don't win elections. And it's good, because this kind of policy is not good for our energy industry.